Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore how to switch from paid membership system to paid membership pro in Streamit. To begin, navigate to the WordPress dashboard and, in the sidebar under the plugin section, search for the paid membership pro plugin. Click on Install Now. The installation process has now started. It may take some time depending on your internet connection and system configuration. After installation, simply click the Activate button. Once the plugin is activated, proceed to the Membership section and click on Settings. Within this section, you'll encounter two buttons. The first is Create a Membership Level, and the second is Video Membership Levels. Let's proceed by creating a membership level. You will notice that a pop-up appears, presenting various types of membership levels to choose from. For demonstration purposes, I'm selecting the free plan. Now, you can provide general information for this level. I'll name it Test and click on the Save Levels button. Congratulations! Your demo plan, named Test, has been successfully created. Next, you'll notice an Import PMS Plans button. It's essential to create a demo plan first, otherwise, you won't see this button. Click on the Import PMS Plans button, and a pop-up will appear. You'll see two messages: PMS plan successfully imported and post-restriction content already imported. Go in further, just refresh the page, and you'll see that your PMS plans have been added. However, please note if your PMS members and payment details may not be imported along with the plans. To address this, there's an additional button labeled PMS Members Detail. Click on it, and another pop-up will appear, indicating that your members' data and payment data have been successfully imported. You can view this member data and payment data by navigating to the Members section. As you can see, the switching from PMS to PMP plugin has been made quite simple. If you encounter any errors or issues related to Streamit, please consult our documentation or submit a support ticket for assistance.